Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today, you learn how to dimension like horizontal, vertical, diagonal, angle, radius, and diameter with Sketcher dimensional tools. You also learn the several ways to invoke these tools. Constraints are used to limit the degrees of freedom of an object. Let us see the definition of each of these tools. Dimension tool is the context-sensitive constraint tool of the Sketcher workbench. Based on the current selection, it offers appropriate dimensional constraints. The horizontal dimension tool measures the horizontal distance between 2 points or the endpoints of a line. The vertical dimension tool measures the vertical distance between 2 points or the endpoints of a line. The distance dimension tool measures the length of a line, the distance between 2 points, the perpendicular distance between a point and a line, the distance between the edges of two circles or arcs, or between the edge of a circle or arc and a line, or the length of an arc. The next dimension tool is auto radius diameter. It measures the radius of arcs and B-spline weight circles and the diameter of circles. The radius dimension tool measures the radius of circles, arcs, and B-spline weight circles. The diameter dimension tool measures the diameter of circles and arcs. The angle dimension tool measures the angle between two edges, the angle of a line with the horizontal axis of the sketch, or the aperture angle of a circular arc. The last dimension tool is log. It is used to measure the horizontal and vertical distance between the point and the sketch origin. These are the ways to invoke the dimension tools. The first three ways are the same for all dimension tools, but the fourth way is different for each of the tools. In the following examples, I will show you each of the dimension tool and how to invoke these. Dimension tool is multifunctional tool. You can use this tool instead of all dimension tools except lock constraint tool. This example shows you the application of dimension tool instead of horizontal, vertical, distance, angle, radius, or diameter dimensioning in Sketcher. The other ways to invoke this dimension tool. Horizontal dimensioning. The other ways to invoke this horizontal dimension tool. In these three sketches, I want to show you the application of the vertical dimension. Select the point. The other ways to invoke this vertical dimension tool. Follow the following examples to understand the usage of distance dimensioning tool. Select first the geometry, then the dimension tool. Distance between two circles. The other ways to invoke this distance dimension tool. The next example is about auto radius diameter dimensioning tool. Auto radius diameter dimension constraint measure the diameter if a circle is chosen, or measure the radius if an arc or spline is chosen. The other way is to invoke this auto radius diameter dimension tool. Now we measure the radius of the following sketches. The ways to invoke this dimension tool is similar to the other dimensional tools. But the keyboard shortcut is different. Diameter dimensioning is similar to radius dimensioning. The only difference is the keyboard shortcut. In the following examples, we measure the angle between two edges or between a line and an axis. The last dimension constraint is lock constraint, and we use it to measure the horizontal and vertical distance between the point and the sketch origin. Select only the point, then the horizontal and the vertical dimensions from the sketch origin created automatically. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD Sketcher tools. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.